Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful fried chicken. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's begin. Before we start, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the recipe, and press on the bell icon so that you get notification about my next recipe. So let's begin. To this I'm going to add 1 cup flour, all-purpose flour. To this flour next I'm going to add about 1/4 cup corn flour or corn starch. You can use whatever starch, whichever is available in your house. I'm using corn starch, that's 1/4 cup. And mix the two flour well. Alright. Next, once you mix the flour, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Let's add the garlic powder as well and mix the flour like so. Now to this flour blend, I'm going to add next pepper. I'm going to add some salt, brown pepper, black pepper, and salt. So let's add the salt first and the pepper. I'm using about 1 teaspoon pepper. Next, I'm going to use mixed herbs, mixed Italian herbs, 1 teaspoon. Okay. Now let's go ahead and mix everything together. Alright. I'm going to now put the chicken thighs and the drumsticks inside. Close the lid of the box and mix the flour really well. I want the seasoning to all get inside the chicken. Alright. So my oil is now heated. I'm going to put my chicken now. Let's put the thighs first. And let this cook in medium flame because you want the chicken to cook from inside. Okay. So let this cook now. I'll get back to you once it's cooked. So here you go. My fried chicken is now ready. Look how delicious it looks. Very crispy from outside, and I'm sure it's going to be soft from inside and juicy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe. Also, don't forget to like my recipe and share the recipe with your friends and family. I hope you will enjoy this chicken. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.